And the question is, temperature coefficient of electrochemical cell is given by dou E by dou T at constant pressure. That is temperature coefficient. Then which one of the following statements is correct? So we are given in the first option, dou E by dou T at constant pressure is 0. Then delta H is equal to minus NFE. Is this option A right or wrong? We have delta G is equal to minus NFE. And also we have delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S, where delta G is the Gibbs free energy change, delta H is the enthalpy change, and delta S is entropy change. And by using these two, we can get the relation between enthalpy change, delta H, and the temperature coefficient as delta H is equal to NF into T dou E by dou T. This is temperature coefficient at constant pressure minus the potential E. So this is the basis for this particular question to be answered. And now if we substitute dou E by dou T at constant pressure is equal to 0 as given in A, if dou E by dou T at constant pressure is 0, condition is given, then this part is 0. Therefore what we'll have? NF into minus E. So delta H now becomes, therefore delta H is now becomes minus NFE. So statement A is right. But which one of the following statements is correct? This statement is right. Can you say B, C, D are wrong? But if you can see, the problem is with the D option, all the above may be right. So if B and C are also right, then we need to choose the D as the option. So in this question of answering, the difficulty is we need to cross check whether B and C are right or wrong. So let us check with B option. And in B what is given? If dou E by dou T at constant pressure is greater than 0, that is, we have delta H is equal to NF into T dou E by dou T at constant pressure minus, that is the potential. In this, it is given that dou E by dou T at constant pressure is positive. Under that condition, we get NFE is greater than minus delta H. That is, this is greater. That is, the additional energy will come from either the surrounding or temperature of the cell will fall, because this is greater than minus delta H. So when the temperature of the cell will fall means the system is endothermic. And what is option B given? NFE is greater than delta H. In fact, sign convention is not mentioned here. Minus delta H. The process inside the cell is endothermic. That is what we got, endothermic. Therefore, B option is also right. So in that case, we cannot go for A or B. So there should be the C option, which also should be right. Then all the above will become correct answer. And if you observe carefully the C option, dou E by dou T at constant pressure is less than 0, then NFE is less than minus delta H. In other words, it's exactly opposite. So when this is endothermic, this is automatically becomes exothermic. So C option is also right. So in the case of C option, when dou E by dou T at constant pressure is negative, then it becomes NFE is less than minus delta H, and the process becomes automatically exothermic. The temperature of the cell will increase. So therefore, with this, C option is also right. From the above, B option is also right, and we have already checked A is right. Therefore, all the above, D is the correct option. So this is to be chosen as the right answer.